What is going on, guys? It's Ricky here, and you guys are watching Revo's Garage, where I do all kinds of fun stuff with cars. Modern cars, old cars, cars in general. So today, I'm going to be putting my engine and transmission together, finally, and I'm going to install it in my 1970 Chevy Nova. Stick around.
Papa says you rev it up and dump her.
Alright guys, so first things first, I gotta get the engine hoist, I gotta get this thing hanging, I gotta get my flywheel on, and then I can take the two and just mate them up. Cold in here again. Alright, so when I hook my chain up, I like to put something between the head, the intake, and all that stuff so I don't mar up the surfaces. I could get one of those fancy pants holders. I know a lot of guys use it, but I don't know, man. I've seen carburetor studs rip out. So I don't know, I just don't trust it. So I go ahead and use the chain. I keep the chain kind of tight. I don't put a lot of slack on it. I see a lot of guys that put a lot of slack on it. You really don't want to do that because if you're doing it with the hood on, you might have too much slack and the crane will actually hit the hood. Not to mention you got more control this way. So I'm gonna hook up the crane. I like these folding cranes. Real space saving. Okay. Alright, so we don't want the motor sliding, so I center it up. You can use screwdrivers, you can use whatever you want, but I like to use vice grips. Just put them on some chain links, and we're good to go. No sliding. Knock, knock. Who's there? Orange. Orange who? Orange ratchet strap. How do you guys like to lift your engines? Do you use that block? You use a chain? Do you have a better method? Put it in the comments below. Let's see what you guys are doing. If I could just figure this out. I don't think it liked my joke. It's brand new. What the fuck? Jeez. There we go. Whoa, what a feeling. I'm excited. Never thought I'd see this day. I'm gonna bring you guys back here. Alright, so nothing special back here. Just your typical run-of-the-mill flywheel. As I said, I'm trying to use as many parts as I have. I don't really want to buy too many more parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. It's really cold. One thing that a lot of guys take for granted is a really good pair of scissors. I know it's weird to have a really good pair of scissors in a mechanic's toolbox, but they come in handy. Now I gotta get this opened up. Just out of curiosity, how do you guys get these things open? I mean, it like sealed forever. Like they don't want you to open the things. I don't know if there's an easy way to get these open or not. I don't know, let me know how you guys do it. Me? Scissors, scissors, scissors. Now, some guys will argue, you don't need Loctite on these, blah, 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 or what Loctite to use, yada, yada, yada. Me, I'm gonna go ahead and use red. I know red is like permanent, but I don't know. I'll put them in, torque them. I know they got these little lock washers on them and stuff. That's just a little added security. But what color you guys put on? If you put any on. Red. Ooh, excuse me. It's like lip gloss. Well, I screwed up. Bought flywheel bolts instead of flex plate bolts. So now I gotta go back to the store. Shucks. I found the old ones. Alright, now I gotta check the torque spec. 65. Okay, torqued. Should probably take that, figure those things called. I've changed a million of those things. I can't even think what it's called now. Pilot bushing. That's what it is. This used to be a stick engine. This came out of a 74 Corvette with a 4-speed. Good thing I saw that. Alright, so there's a special tool to do this, but I don't have that special tool. So I'm going to give this a whirl. There we go. Alright, I'm going to clean this up, pull the transmission out, and we're going to found my fan shroud. Oh, there those went. Alright. Cool. Whew. Now I gotta put my torque converter in. Why did I bury this? Okay, all right, after digging through underneath my house, I found everything. Got my training lines, my vacuum line, all kinds of good stuff. Got the torque converter out. So I'm gonna pop this one out, fill the other one up, put it in, put them together. Huh. This is a lot smaller. Well, it's gonna fit. There's only one way to find out, right? Couldn't move the engine crane because of a zip tie. Watch your step. So I can't hook this up yet because the bolt I used for the chain is right in the way. So I'll get it in, I'll put the bolt on that. After I get the chain off, it'll be good to go. Now I'm gonna be running the transmission cooler off of the new radiator I got. I know a lot of guys like to just run a separate trans cooler, but yeah, I think we'll be all right with the other one, with the radiator one. Not to mention, I feel like it looks a little cleaner. What do you guys think? All right, up and away. see, the engine's in. It's looking sweet, pretty happy. I mean, that's a pretty big step right there. Now I just got a lot of that odds and ends bull crap that you got to deal with. Little bolts here and there. You know, I got to get all my heater hoses, all that good stuff. I got to wrap my headers, and I can start putting them on, get my fuel pump, get my carburetor ready, all that good stuff. And hopefully soon enough, we'll be able to fire this thing up. Yeah. So that's going to be all for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all that good stuff. You can check me out on Instagram, too. What is my Instagram account? I don't know. I'll put it in the description. I just made it. But, yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all later.